queens, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is ChimereNicole. Welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel because we have videos just like this each week. So today I'm going to be showing you a beginner friendly hairstyle. This is a protective style and this is a crochet method. This method does not use any cornrows whatsoever. I do not have a net underneath my hair, and I was able to get this hairstyle in under an hour. So fast, anyone can do it, beginner friendly. So today I'm going to be showing you what hair I'm using. I'm going to show you my method. I'm going to show you how I protect my hair underneath this protective style, and we are going to jump into today's video. Okay ladies, we are back and we are going to jump straight into this tutorial. So we're going to start off with clean, freshly washed hair, and my scalp feels amazing. It's really good to rub your scalp to get that blood flow. Helps to have a healthy scalp. My number one favorite detangling brush is by FHI and it's called the Uni Brush. I will have it linked in the video description. It is by far the best detangling brush I have ever used. Even my daughters love it. They do not cry when they get their hair washed. Next, I'm going to be sectioning off my head. I know I want my part to be a bit off center. You don't have to have your parts completely neat because I truly believe when you're doing crochet hairstyles, the messier the part, the more natural your crochet will look. So for my ladies who cannot braid or cornrow, we are going to start off with flat twist. I'm going to be going in with my leave-in conditioner. This is by Biologics. I'll link them in the video description. I love this conditioner because it keeps my hair moisturized and it's very lightweight. So we're going to start off with a flat twist. Again, if you cannot cornrow, this will be the best option. And I like to braid my hair at the end when I get to my flat twist. It just makes it a little more secure. If you cannot do a braid, then you can continue to twist your hair, but I prefer braids on the ends of mine. So this is what your flat twist should look like, and we are going to complete these steps on the opposite side. Again, going in with my leave-in conditioner, sectioning my hair off and removing all the tangles, and we're going to flat twist. I'm going to create 2 flat twists on both sides of my head, and then I'm going to move to the back of my head. Now for me, the middle of my head is typically the densest, which means I have the most amount of hair there. So I'm going to section my hair off in 3 subsections in the back, again applying a moisturizer to my head, and I'm going to create 3 large braids. They do not have to be neat. You can twist your hair if you do not know how to braid. Sectioning the hair off, you can see I'm just using my fingers to do this. And this is what your hair will look like. I'm going to show you how I'm going to pin it up, but as you can see, we have the 3 sections in the back, and all we're going to do at this point is crochet them down. Now, if you do not know how to do this, or if your hair is not as long as this and it may not reach, you can easily use bobby pins. You can sew it down, which is a really great option, but I decided to crochet it because, again, we are going for a fast hairstyle and I didn't want to stop. In retrospect, I probably should have sewed this down, but I digress. Now let me show you what hair we're going to be using. This is by Latress. I will have all of the information listed in the video description, but I love this hair and I've had it for a very long time. When I got it the first time, I purchased about 10 packs. So this is some hair that I had left over from that initial purchase. As you can see, this hair is pre-looped, but I love the fact that you can change the loop size. This makes all the difference. It does not create any additional tension on my hair. It's so easy to install, and you can make it as loose or as tight as you need it to be. And as you can see, each pre-loop section has about 6 strands of hair. So I like to space this out. I take 2 fingers in between my spacing because I know that this hair gets big really quickly. So again, 2 spaces to separate my crochet. Adjust my loop to make it as large as I need it to be, and then I install. I'm going to complete this process all over my head, and one side of my head will be 1 full pack. Also, just for reference, each pack comes with 12 pre-loop sections, so this makes it really easy when you're trying to ration out the amount of crochet pieces that you're going to be installing. So I did 6 on one braid, 6 on the other, which gave me 1 full pack, and then I will complete this on the opposite side, and each twist will get 6 pieces of crochet hair, and we're going to do the same thing on the back, and that's 1 pack of hair. See how big that got? Once this hair gets a little bit older, it's going to get larger. And again, trust me, you do not need a lot of hair. I'm going to be using 3 packs of hair in total. So at this point, I'm just looking at my hair and seeing if there's any spaces that I can fill in because I had some additional pieces. And what I would recommend for this technique is to put as much hair behind your parting because typically that's where your hair likes to separate. So I'm just taking my latch hook and I'm applying the pre-looped hair as close to my part as possible. Now that I have some makeup on, I'm going to start to shake and fluff my hair out just to see what shape I want, if I want to do any trimming. I'm also going to be applying oil to my scalp, and I opened my bottle a little bit too much and it started to drip. However, this essential oil is something that I like to make for my own hair, and everything is all natural. And so I like to use that as a scalp moisturizer. Again, the more you fluff this hair out, the bigger it gets. So that is just about personal preference. But I am going to show you a quick tip on how I hide my sections and my partings. One of the best ways I found to make your crochet look a little more natural is to tease the hair at the roots. So I'm going to take my detangling brush and I'm just going to back comb, which is a fancy word for teasing, and it's going to help to conceal those pre-loop pieces, and it also makes it fluffier at the roots. And as you can see, we have no spaces. You cannot see any of my parts, and I love this technique. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure you thumbs up this video if it helped you in any way. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at ChimereNicole, and I will see you guys in the next video.